Hey, what's happening guys? Kyle here with SP Tools USA, here to bring back and show you our SP Tools SP61073 Lithium Cobalt Jump Pack. Now we wanted to bring this one back because it is selling like hotcakes. It is one of the most sold tools on our site to date. So let's jump into the kit and see what's inside. Inside the nice blow molded case, you're going to see our EVA foam that's going to keep everything all nice and neat into its place. The actual jump pack right here is going to be coming in right around 3 pounds, so it's a nice compact unit. Here you're going to see that we have the disconnectable jump pack cables, so you're able to take them off in case they do get damaged. You don't have to throw away the entire unit. One of the cool features that this jump pack has is going to be the charge status in the LCD screen here on the front. Now, this unit is going to be coming in at 1600 amps of jump pack capability. Not like the other competitors that overinflate their numbers. 4,000, 6,000, who cares what the number is? If it can't jump the vehicle, it's not really going to work. This jump pack is also very capable in what it can do without all the extra little buttons and features and switches and everything here and there. All you really have to do is turn the unit on, connect it to the vehicle, and it does the job. That's what you want it to do at the moment in which you really need it the most. Some of the other things that come into this kit are these awesome little connectors in which you can adapt to our charging cables and cords that actually do come with the kit. Here on the side you can see there are going to be 2 USB output ports as well as a couple of output at 3.5 amp and up to 1.5 amp input for charging this unit. Also going to have a charger that's going to adapt to your 12 volt system in your car. All in all, it's a very capable tool, one that you can have in your car, and it's going to be there at a moment's notice, ready to use, and it's going to be able to handle whatever you throw at it. So where can you guys find this one? You can cruise on over to www.sptoolsusa.com, look for SP61073. Go grab a tool and get wrenching.